break that riff down. I'm playing a Kongsheng Sunrise in the key of A, and this riff is in third position, so really that puts us in the key of B minor. I'm doing basically the same riff with a variation. I'm doing it in the lower octave and then in the higher octave. So this one, we kind of pedal on this one draw. So it's one draw, quick one draw to the two draw bent, a full step down, and then back to the one draw. The second part is we're just walking up the blues scale. One draw, two draw bent, a whole step, two draw, to the three draw all the way to the bottom. That's a step and a half bend. And then we go up a half step from there just to the three draw whole step bend. When I hit that three draw whole step bend, I do a little chewing vibrato, which is different than a throat thing. It's really just kind of... I end the riff by doing one draw, two draw, full step bend, back to the one draw, one blow, one draw. And then I do a little throat vibrato at the end of that one draw. Now we're gonna do the same riff with a slight variation in the middle octave. Start with four draw twice, to the five draw, back to the four draw. So again, I'm kind of pedaling on that four draw like we pedaled on the one draw. Again, in this octave, I climb up that blues scale. That's four draw, five draw, six blow, six draw bent, a half step down. Then I end it with this super common, very harmonica sounding lick that I just love. So it's this quick little, I'm bending that six draw down, I'm releasing it, and then you bend it again and just slide over five and you're in on the four draw. You really need to try to release your embouchure when you're going from that six draw bend straight to that five. You really want to be clean on that five. So I want to be nice and open when I hit that five draw, four draw. Then we go back to what we did in the beginning. Four draw, five draw, four draw. Four draw, five draw, four blow. And then I want to hit this dirty four and five together and give it a nice vibrato. We repeat the first riff in the lower octave, then we repeat the riff in the middle octave again. At the very end, I'm just hitting that dirty four draw, five draw vibrato. I retard it a little bit before I get to that, so I slow it down just a little bit. And I'm trying to just give it a nice strong vibrato to end it. See you next Monday.